Welcome back to template tutorial. So in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to create a business conference poster. So without wasting much of your time, let's dive into it. So first of all, we have to change the layout here to blank. So then move on to the design tab and customize the slide size. So we have to choose A4 here. I will choose a portrait and click on OK and maximize. Alright, so the first step that we'll do in designing our poster is to change the background color of our slide. So to do that, simply right click on it and go to format background. So you see the properties of it has appeared at the right side of our screen here. So from there you see the solid fill has been selected, so leave it as it is and then move on to the color here and choose this color. So with this color it's too light for us to use, so we'll still go back to the color again. Don't change a different color, just leave this one selected and go to more colors. So you see this small pointer here, black pointer, just click on it and drag it down to customize the new color. So you see the new color hasn't changed. So you can check it out there to choose a suitable color for your poster. So I think I'll go with this one. Alright, so I think it's too deep, so let me change it to little. So let me just go back there. Alright, so I think this way is okay. Alright, so with this we are okay, and we have to move on to the next step, which is to now start inserting the text box. Even though we'll insert another shape also, shapes, but I want us to start designing the top here to the bottom. So let's finish the top here. So the first text that we have to insert can be located inside the text box, the insert tab. So if you go to the insert tab, you can find the text box here. Just click on it and click here once. It will be inserted. Alright, so the text that you have to insert here will be business conference. Just type business conference. Alright, so let's select it and change the color. So I'll choose this color. So with this color, I don't necessarily want this color though. I want this color but not necessarily this color. Don't be confused. The reason why I'm saying this is because I want this color but I want it to be I want it to be deeper a little bit. So to change the color again, just simply go back here and then click on more colors. So you see, as this color is just the current color, we want a new color to also change. So simply I can change it here. I don't want this one. So you have to be monitoring a new color here, the one that you want to use. Alright, so I think I'll go with something like this color, the new color. Alright, so with this, let's align it to the center. And the font here, we are going to change the font to area rounded, and the size will be 32. Alright, so I even made it bold. So let's remove this small letter and make a cap. Alright, so I'll gently align it here. Alright, so let me reduce this one a little, or better let's remove the bold, reduce this one a little. Alright, so I'll gently align it here. So now I want us to insert our logo here. So I don't have a logo in my device, so I'm simply just going to the insert tab. So I'll go with the shapes and I'll insert a circle. So with this circle, I'm just going to remove the shape fill, and the outline I'll choose a different color, which is white, and the width I'll go with possibly 2.5. Okay, I'll leave it 2.5. So let's place some text there as our logo. So I'm just going to use your logo. So I'll select it all. So the font here I'll choose rounded, and the size I'll try with 14. So let me zoom it in a little, so I can gently align it here. Alright, so after the logo, let me insert another text here. So this business conference, which year is it for? So I'm just going to change this text here to 2025. So I'm just going to change the font of it also to area black, and the size I'll try with 20. The color I'll go with white. Alright, so I'll bring this one back here. So now with this one, I want I want there to be an underline. I want it to be underlined, and if I use this underline, the width of it will not be as to the way I want it to be, and also I don't want it to be this way, so I'm just going to remove that one. So, and go back to the insert tab, and I'm going to insert a straight line under it. So from here, I'm just going to draw a straight line here. Alright, so with this straight line, I can increase the width of it. And the color also, I can choose this color right here. Alright, so after that, this one also, let's make a copy of this text here. So change the font of it to 20. And the text will be boosting your business. So the color, let's make it white. Alright, so now I'll make a copy of this one also here. So with this, I'm just going to change the font of it also. So I'll go with this one, but the size will be 14. So I already have a text, so I can easily just paste it in here, so we can move on faster. So gently align it here. Alright, so now I want us to go to the insert tab and insert a square. So we can use the rectangle here as our square. Just draw it this way. Remove the outline, and the shape fill, we'll choose this color right here. So the text in there, just type one there. So select the one. So we'll change the font of it to possible area rounded, and the color, we'll choose this color right here. Alright, so I can make a copy of it here and change the text here to 2. So with this also, I'm just going to make another copy here. So we'll change this text. So you see the business, the strategies that you have to use, you can have it right here. Even though we are only listing only 2, but you can insert as much as you want. So I'm just going to add some small description here. So I'll use the RAND. I'll go with 1 line, 1 paragraph. Alright, so I'll just use this something like this. So I'll select it. So the font here, I'll go with Calibri. I'll make it 12. Alright, so let me move this one to this side a little. Alright, so let me give some here some space. I'm just trying to position all of it very well, so we won't be coming back there to make some additions to it. Alright, so I'll just align this one at the bottom of it. So I'll take this one, also bring it right here. So I'll make a copy of this text also and bring it here. Alright, so I think it's not looking bad. So the next thing again I would like us to do is to insert a circle. So to insert a circle, you have to go to the insert tab and have your circle here. So just click on it and click on this circle. So let me zoom out a little. So here you can draw a bigger circle. Alright, so just we want only the top here. So that's why I'm just focused around here. Alright, so with this, let's remove the shape fill, give it no fill, but the width of the outline, make it 8, and the color you can go with white. Alright, so I think this way is not bad, but I'll gently bring it down a little. So here also, I want us to insert another circle. So just go, okay, let me just duplicate this one right here. So I'll clean this text off. So with this circle, when it has been selected this way, or if you don't want to do that, we just simply go to the insert tab. Let me just do it that way so we can move on like normally. So we'll go to the insert tab, go and insert another shape like this. So when you insert a shape like this, you simply have to go and click on the picture or texture field. You see, so with this one, you have to insert the picture here. But if you click and you don't have this thing, you don't have this thing here because I don't have the picture on my device. So if to insert the picture, when you click on the picture or texture field, just simply go to the insert tab, go to work offline. So you see, to send it to a folder, so I have my pictures inside the pictures folder, this folder. So I'll just come and click on this one to insert that one first. Alright, so with this, you see, I'll just come scroll to the where we have the line. You see the line properties. So that's the outline. I'll increase the width of it. So I'll try with 4. Let me try with 5 and see. Okay, the 5 is better. And I'll give it white. Alright, so let me increase the size a little. Alright, so I'll make a copy of this one right here. So with this, just go back to where you have the insert button, click on it, click on work offline. So I'll use this picture. Alright, I want us to insert a text box here. So under H, we have a text box there. So let me zoom in. So with this, we'll have a name for this person. So I'll just give it Johnny Cage. And next, I'll just give it CEO. So the font of it will be 14, the font size. But with the top one here, the font of it will be area rounded. So I'll gently align it at the bottom of it. So I'll make a copy to this side. And I'll change the text also. Let me change this one first. Alright, so with this, I'm just going to go with marketing. So I'll gently align that one also at the bottom of the picture. So now let's make a copy of this one also right here. So with this one, that will be the date. So the program will start on 10th to 12th. So we have it on April 2025. So I'll align it to the left. So something like this. Alright, I think something like this is better. So I'll make a copy of this one right here. And this one will be the time. So we have from 8 a.m. until 5 p.m. Alright, so I think that one also is not looking back. So I'll make another copy here, and that will be your address, the address of the where the business will take place. So I'm just going to gently align all of them well. Alright, so with these ones, let's have some icons for each and every one of it. We'll have a calendar icon for this one, and clock icon for this one, and we'll have location icon for this one. So I have it all in my device, so I'll just go to the insert tab, these pictures, and this device. So I'll go with the calendar icon first. Alright, so I'll gently align it here. So next, I'll go with the clock. So let me shift this one to this side a little. Lastly, I'll go with the address. So that will be the location icon. Alright, let's now go back to the insert tab and insert a rounded rectangle, which is right here. So just draw it this way. Let's control this one around. So the outline, let's just give it no outline, and the shape fill, we choose white. So then type book. Let me change the text first. Book your seat now. So select it. We'll choose the semi-bold and the size, I'll go with 14. Alright, so I'll take this one, make a copy here. So this text will be visit us. So I'll align it to the center. So I'll gently bring it here and I'll make a copy here. So here it can be a website. So I'm just going to use something like www.business. We have business release, businessconference.com. So I'll select it all this way and I'm going to change the font here to Calibri. So I'll leave the size as 14. So I think here is not bad. Alright, so now let's make a copy of this one right here. So I'm just going to change the text to contact, maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, so let's customize it. I'll choose the semi-bold. So I'll just align it here. So I'll also come here then now and I'll change it to today. So I will reduce the size here. So and gently align it to the center here. Alright, so that's it for it. Thank you so much for watching and see you later in my next video.